Every home got a signal now.
This just popped up on my phone. Will you trust it? It says enter your two-step verification PIN. Be honest. Would you trust this or would you just panic? The truth is, most parents today are being told, watch out for scams, but no one is showing you, like I'm doing this evening, how to tell the difference between something dangerous and something that's actually protecting you. So what tends to happen? We ignore real warnings and sometimes trust the wrong things. This one, thank God, is real. This is WhatsApp's two-step verification. If you set up a PIN, WhatsApp will occasionally ask for it. Why? To stop someone else from taking over your account. So this isn't trying to hack you. It's actually trying to protect you. Here's where parents get caught out. Scammers copy this exact idea. They send messages like, I sent you a code by mistake. Can you send it back? And the moment you do, your WhatsApp is gone. Please roll out this simple family rule today. If it's inside the app and you set it up, check it. If someone is asking you for a code, that's a red flag every time. Okay? Let's pause for a moment for trending family cyber news that's happening right now. WhatsApp accounts are being hijacked using people you trust. And here's how it works. A scammer takes over someone's account, then messages everyone in their contacts saying, I sent you a code by mistake. Can you send it back? It looks real because it's coming from someone you know. Here's what parents must do. So here's the rule for your family today, okay? Never send a code to anyone ever, not even your best friend, okay? Let's get back to the episode. You don't need to fear technology. You just need to understand it, okay? Tech is for living. I tend to tell myself that every day. Please subscribe to the Family Cyber YouTube channel, and I'll help you stay one step ahead. I hope you can trust me. I've been your host tonight, Lawrence Edem. Until next week, Monday at 6 p.m. God bless and goodbye.
Children, heart to heart. Faith is the firewall. From the start, we're watching the children while the world's online. We're guarding their hearts by God's design. Raising a family in digital times. Choosing love and truth over the signal and the noise. What is some love? Still learning, still praying, still showing